Today I'm going to teach you how to use the cubes strategy. So the first thing you want to do is we want to read the word problem. So Sandy picked 4 plums and Nancy picked 6 plums from the plum tree. Mike picked 3 pears from the pear tree. How many plums were picked in all? So the first thing we want to do is we want to circle the key words, key numbers. So Sandy picked 4 plums and Nancy picked 6 plums from the plum tree. Mike picked 3 pears from the pear tree. How many plums were picked in all? So now that we have circled the key numbers, we want to underline the question. So the question that we want to underline is how many plums were picked in all. So we have circled the key numbers and we have underlined the question. The next thing we want to do is we want to box the action words. So Sandy picked 4 plums and Nancy picked 6 plums from the plum tree. And Mike picked 3 pears from the pear tree. How many plums were picked in all? So we have circled the key numbers, and we have underlined the question, and we have boxed the action words, and now we want to evaluate the steps, and we also want to eliminate information. So when we eliminate information, we want to eliminate stuff in the problem that doesn't have to do with the answer. So Sandy picked 4 plums, and Nancy picked 6 plums from the plum tree. Mike picked 3 pears from the pear tree. How many plums were picked in all? So we know that this word problem is only asking how many plums were picked in all. So that means we can get rid of Mike picked 3 pears from the pear tree. Alright, so now we want to evaluate the steps. So we know that Sandy picked 4 plums and Nancy picked 6 plums from the plum tree. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. So how many plums were picked in all? 10 plums were picked. So now let's solve and check. So we know that there is 4 plums total. 4 plums that Sandy picked, we'll put the 4 right here. And Nancy picked 6 plums, and we'll put that right there. And the question is asking how many plums were picked in all. So our problem is going to be an addition problem. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. So there is 10 plums that were picked in all.